you are.
Too late. Oh my God. If you can't really see them.
I got sexy flat. Do runway. Let's do a quick runway.
Oh yeah.
Do a sexy flat.
Chelsea, it's her black leggings. Work it, honey.
Work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Oh, oh. Turn. Work it. Oh, 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 oh.
We got Christina Pay. She's working that light brown top with that sexy brown belt around her waist. Check out those ankles in.
Oh, work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Snap. Work it. Turn. Oh yes. Oh.
The orange right now, we have the orange rough. Working that more casual look.
And black.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Turn. Work it. Oh. Oh yes. 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 Yeah. Go. Here we go. We got Kia Taylor.
Oh yeah.
She's working that sexy white top with them buttons and that black tank under. She got them sexy jeans with them whole patches coming up. And check out them Gladiator shoes. And that bow on the top is sexy. You better work it. Let's work it. Oh,